Hi, engineers. Good morning. Today we continue Soft Skills for Engineer Module 13 Part 8. In this module we will learn about the physical characteristics. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering Channel. Learning Goals. By the end of this module you will be able to describe someone as physical characteristics, understand descriptions of people's appearance, write about the appearance of a person you know. Let's see some examples for nouns. Nouns: beard, hair that grows on the lower part of a man's face. Is Jimmy too young to have a beard? Blonde, a person with a very light hair color. His girlfriend is a blonde, right? Brunette, a person with a dark hair color. Janet is a brunette just like her mother. Date: a meeting between two people who are interested in each other romantically. Jack and Susan had a good time on their date. Ear: the body part at the side of your head that you hear with. William has long hair that covers his ears. Eye: the part of your face that you see with. I can't see while I have something in my eye. Eyebrow: a thin row of hair above each eye. Who is that man with the dark eyebrows? Freckle: a small brown spot on the skin. Julie has freckles on her nose. Glasses: something that you wear in front of your eyes to help you see better. Morgan can't read the book without her glasses. Hairstyle: the way a person's hair is cut or shaped. Malik's new hairstyle looks really good on him. Height: a measure of how tall a person or thing is. Bruce's height is 180 centimeters. Lip: the area just above or just below the opening of your mouth. I need water, my lips are dry. Mustache: hair that grows above a man's upper lip. Ben looks different with a mustache. Nose: the part of your face that you smell and breathe with. My nose gets cold on cold days. Redhead: a person with a reddish-brown hair color. My sister is a redhead. Smile: a happy expression, with the sides of the mouth turned up. You have a nice smile in this photograph. Weight: eyebrows: a measure of how heavy a person is. I gain weight when I don't exercise enough. Verbs. Let's see some actions words which can be used in a sentence. Ask someone out: to invite someone to do something with you because you are attracted to him or her. Alan wants to ask Kathleen out on a date. Be in love: to feel a strong attraction and deep feelings for another person. Clay is in love with Sarah, so he asked her to get married. Brush: to make your hair smooth and neat with an object having many small stiff hairs. She brushes her long hair 3 times a day. Comb: to make your hair smooth and neat with a small toothed object. Please comb your hair before you go to school. Expressions. He is 10 years old. Used to say a person's age. Ron is 27 years old. How old is she? Used to ask for a person's age. How old is Lucia? How tall is he expression. Used to ask for a person's height. How tall is Michael Jordan? What does she look like? Used to ask about a person's appearance. What does Sachiko look like? Adjectives. Bald. Eyebrows. Having no hair on your head. My uncle wears a hat because he is bald. Beautiful. Very good looking. The movie star is beautiful. Curly. Forming tight loops and circles. The little boy has curly brown hair. Cute. Good-looking usually used to describe someone young or small or someone you're attracted to. Enzo and Anna have a cute baby. Fat. Having a lot of extra weight on your body. I exercise often because I don't want to become fat. Heavy. Having a little extra weight on the body. I'm too heavy, so I'm trying to lose some weight. Long. Large when measured from one end to the other. That woman has very long hair. Messy. Not neat. When the wind blows, everyone's hair gets messy. Middle-aged. In the time of life between young and old. My brother is 45 years old, he is middle-aged. Old. In the late time of life. The old man walks slowly. Pretty. Good-looking. Do you think Elise is pretty? Short. Small in height or length. Francine can't reach the book on the top shelf because she is too short. Skinny. Having no extra weight on the body. Jack is too skinny, he needs to eat more. Straight. Without curves or turns. My hair is straight when it gets wet. Tall. Large in height. Basketball players are often very tall. Thin. Having a narrow light body. Most ballet dancers are thin. Ugly. Very bad looking. My uncle thinks he is ugly, but I think he's handsome. Wavy. Forming loose curves. Iris wants wavy hair. Young. In the early time of life. Most of the people at this dance party are young. Hope this video has given an idea about the words we use to describe the physical appearance of a person. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.